Well, I like to tell wacky stories with my designs because that's a good way to let off some steam. If I give the customer something extravagant, they stand out from the crowd, and that's what I'm here for. A new look for every car. Car wrap professional Robin Bös doesn't just wrap cars, he brings ideas to life. A lot of work is required before a car is ready to be wrapped. It takes a car that's absolutely free of dirt for a wrapping to succeed. Once this is done, the work itself can begin. With special digitally printed car wrapping film, the vehicle wrap is applied piece by piece. A steady hand and almost surgical skill are required, because cutting with a scalpel requires a great deal of dexterity. Only practice and experience can ensure that the film is cut without damaging the paint underneath. Pressure and angle make all the difference, and what may look simple at first glance is a result of years of experience and training. Other tricky areas to wrap on vehicles are any electronic systems or devices, which we have to ask about when you receive a vehicle from a customer. You don't want to tape over something you shouldn't or conceal it with a film. Most often, this is located on the front and rear bumpers. Sensors for distance control and recognition of sidelines must not be taped over under any circumstances. We don't want to be in the position of having caused an accident, and that it's important to inquire about these details beforehand and why there's associations like the GEWA, which sets standards for wrapping. I'm one of the founding members. At the beginning of every project there is a vision, and in order for this to take shape, it is collected, put into a concept and then realized on the computer. In CorelDRAW, a unique design is created in this way from the first sketch to the finished layout. When designing, the large work surface is a welcome feature, and last but not least, creative effects such as a pointillizer ensure that the design becomes unique. Robin Bös has his very special favorites. There is the measuring tool, with which I can not only measure in 90 degrees or diagonally in straight lines, but also freely. And that is important to measure distances, to make sure that the individual graphic elements are in the right place and that the individual formats that are printed fit together afterwards. Layers are also very helpful, and the marking of the individual elements. Depending on which layer I'm working on, the objects are marked with small pictures so that I can actually find every detail effortlessly at any time. But Robin Bös also transforms supposedly simple projects into small masterpieces. I'm not too good for such jobs. On the contrary, you can make a customer just as happy with a simple design as with an insanely elaborate vehicle wrap. And it's still quite a task to achieve a great result with a reduced effect. No matter whether we are labeling cars or trucks with a simple or complex design. It has to be promotionally effective, moving away from just the obligatory block of lettering with an address on the door and a logo on the rear window, and upscaling it to the next level can make a lot of difference. Whether car wrapping or classic lettering, vehicle wrapping involves so much more than just applying a colorful adhesive film to the car body. From an initial conceptual idea to producing that vision in CorelDRAW and then to the finished work of art, there are not only thousands of steps and several days of work, but above all, expertise and dexterity that guarantee a perfect result. A result that is usually anything but normal when Robin Bös is in charge.